Willkommen and welcome back. Today we are going to learn more about how to say directions, or in other words, we are going to learn how to describe the way to a specific place. Directions in German means die Richtungen. Richtungen. A singular direction means die Richtung. Die Richtung. Places are Orte. Orte. The store can be two words. You can either say der Laden, or das Geschäft. Das Geschäft. School is die Schule. Die Schule. Library is die Bibliothek. Die Bibliothek. Supermarket is der Supermarkt. Der Supermarkt. Building is das Gebäude. Das Gebäude. Again, das Gebäude. Office is das Büro. Das Büro. Train station is der Bahnhof. Der Bahnhof. Bus station is die Bushaltestelle. Die Bushaltestelle. Beach is der Strand. Der Strand. Restaurant is das Restaurant. Das Restaurant. Park is der Park. Der Park. Die Kirche is church. Die Kirche. Again. Die Kirche. Cinema is das Kino. Das Kino. Post office is das Postamt. Das Postamt. City Hall is das Rathaus. Das Rathaus. The market square is der Marktplatz. Der Marktplatz. Almost every German or Austrian city has a market square and the city hall. So it's important to know those words. Street is die Straße. Die Straße. Corner is die Ecke. Die Ecke. Bridge is die Brücke. Die Brücke. This is also one of the things that almost every city in Germany or in Austria has. In other words, the majority of the big cities in Germany or in Austria are built around rivers, so there are many bridges between. And now we are going to learn some words to help us to describe where something is. Neben is next to. Neben. Behind is hinter. Hinter. In front of is vor. Vor. Between is zwischen. Zwischen. Again. Zwischen. To is zu. Zu. Nach is also to. Nach. The differences between zu and nach are a bit complicated for now. That's why we are going to talk about it in the future. In is simply in. Bis has actually more than one meaning. It can either mean up to or until, or it can also mean to. Again, we are going to talk about it in a future lesson. Opposite is gegenüber. Gegenüber. To the left of is auf der linken Seite von. Or you can also say links von. Auf der linken Seite von. Or links von. The same thing goes with to the right of. Auf der rechten Seite von. Auf der rechten Seite von. Or rechts von. You can also say nach links when you want to say to the left or simply left. And nach rechts, to the right. First means zuerst. If you want to describe something or a story that has many steps, you have to use the words like first and then, something like that. That's why the word first in German means zuerst. Zuerst. Then is dann. Dann. And now some verbs. To turn is drehen. Drehen. And this is a normal verb. To cross the street, for example, is überqueren. Überqueren. Straight ahead or continue straight is geradeaus. Geradeaus. If you want to ask where is something, you say Wo ist die Schule, for example. Where is the school? Wo ist? Wohin gehst du? Where are you going? Wohin gehst du? Now, look at this map and try to identify the small park. Do you see it? Wo ist der kleine Park? Where is the small park? Do you see the red point? That's where you are. And now try to describe where the small park is, according to you. There are many correct answers. One of them, and one of the simplest answers, is Der Park ist auf der linken Seite. Der Park ist auf der linken Seite. The park is on the left side. Try it again. And now try to describe your way to the supermarket. Wo ist der Supermarkt? Let's go through it step by step. Du gehst geradeaus. Drehe nach links bis Northstraße. You go straight ahead. Turn to the left up to North Street. Du drehst nach rechts und dann geradeaus. You turn to the right and then straight ahead. Der Supermarkt ist auf der linken Seite. The supermarkt is on the left side. Ich bin in der Kirche und ich gehe zu dem Postamt. Wie gehst du? I am in the church and I'm going to the post office. I want to ask you, how will you go? Try to describe the way you are going to take to me. And remember, now you have to use ich instead of du. Ich gehe geradeaus bis Blackwellstraße. I go straight ahead to Blackwell Street. Ich drehe nach links und überquere die Brücke. I turn to the left and I cross the bridge. Das Postamt ist auf der rechten Seite. The post office is on the right side. And now let's go through the words one more time. Die Richtungen, Orte, das Geschäft, die Schule, die Bibliothek, der Supermarkt, das Gebäude, das Büro, der Bahnhof, die Bushaltestelle, der Strand, das Restaurant. der Park, die Kirche, das Kino, das Postamt, das Rathaus, der Marktplatz, die Straße, die Ecke, die Brücke, rechts von, links von, neben, hinter, zwischen, vor, gegenüber, bis, zu, nach, zuerst, dann, drehen, überqueren, geradeaus. Gratuliere. That was the end of our lesson for today. See you next time. Bye bye.